devices that it can make them move forward, backward, or sideways, all with the push of a stick. You might have seen some full controllers for your gaming platform or device.
So how and why were they invented? It all started when a scientist in 1922 named C.B. Merrick created a controller that utilizes joystick, which controls an aircraft. It proved useful and utilizes in other ways which requires function to control.
It was not late until 1967 when they discovered that it can also help for the entertainment when video games came in the scene,
which utilized the joysticks as well. Since then, anything required control that utilized joysticks and its many variations.
When we listen to the word joystick, we think about game controllers. When we talk about electronics, there are many useful applications for the joystick. These applications are used in Arduino DIY-based projects and robot control.
As we know, the module gives analog output that can be used for feeding the analog input based on directions and movement. It can also be connected to a movable camera to control its movement.
Joystick modules can be used in Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and many microcontrollers.
We just have to connect the access pins VRX and VRY to the ADC pins of the microcontroller. If you want to use the switch, then connect it to the digital pin of the microcontroller.